Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on NYT Games. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the NYT Games on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and use your credentials to log in onto your game. Once you are logged in, you will be taken into the homepage from which you can directly start enjoying various different games. Now, if you wish to change your email address, tap on the account icon at the top right corner and then tap on Manage Your Account. This will now open up a browser page within which you might be asked to log into your account once again. So use both of your credentials again and then log into your account, and this will take you into your account settings page. Now underneath your account option, you will see your email address option, alongside which you will see the update button. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you will be allowed to enter your desired new email address. Just type in your preferred new email within the new email box, and then enter your current account password underneath within the password box in order to verify your identity. After entering both your new email and your password, you can click on the Save button and your email will be changed right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your email address on NYT Games. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.